Hi, my name is James Kemp, and this is a review of the Philips Attachable Battery Pack and Charging Battery Station. This is for iPods devices, as well as iPhones. So what this package includes is the battery pack itself, which has a nice little indication at the top for the charge level. This goes ahead and plugs right into the bottom of the iPod using the standard connector, like such, and you can see that it's now got the charging indication. It has some feet on the bottom so that it will stick onto the iPod. I have a case on mine, as you can see, but you would see the same thing if the case wasn't on. You can also see that there's some flexibility to this connector. I don't know how much I would trust as far as bending this, but there is a little bit of leeway there. In addition, it comes with a base station, which is just a very simple thing, and it just sits right on there and charges up. I've used this a couple of times, and I've found it very easy to just set it on there and have it charge without me having to worry too much about making sure that the little pieces of metal are connecting correctly. The package also includes, surprisingly, two USB cables, and I believe these are USB Mini Bs. There's a shorter one and then a longer one. And what these actually do is then you can either connect directly into the battery, or you can connect into the base station, and then because it's USB, this means you can either plug it into your computer, or you can use the outlet to USB component that they give you to charge it through the wall. And actually, I'll show you. It's got a nice little blue glow when it's plugged in, which is very nice. But also, because they give you this, you could use the standard iPod USB cable that you get when you purchase your iPod or iPhone, so that you can charge your iPod or iPhone directly through the outlet. So all in all, based on, just the fact that they gave you two cables, which I find is extremely surprising, and then the base station and the battery, it's an amazing deal. I've used all the various ways of charging my iPod. So just using the battery pack directly, charging the battery pack directly via USB, as well as using the base station, and I've been extremely happy with it. I did notice that when I left my iPod plugged into the battery pack, that it went from about 75% to about 25%, again basing on these little lights, each one being 25%. That was over the course of the night, which I kind of found surprising because I wasn't using it. I had powered it off, but so that might be something that, charge it up and then just unplug it. The other issue, which I find kind of minor, especially with these devices, is that when you do plug it in, you have an issue where, and I'm grabbing a cable here, the headphone jack doesn't allow, you can't plug it in when the battery is connected, which is extremely unfortunate. Of course, what you can do is, just set it up so that, at least with the iPod and the iPod, or the iPhone and the iPod touches, is that you can still listen to to music just through the speakers, and just let it sit. But I don't know how. I don't know. For me, that's not big issue, because I see myself using this more to charge my device when I get home. So there it is. I think it's definitely a great purchase, just based on the number of ways that you can charge your device. Yeah. So definitely give this 5 stars. Thanks.